Are you tired of feeling lost when you open Gusto? Learn to navigate every essential feature in under 4 minutes. We'll start at the dashboard, then click through all 19 key menu items, from pay to people, so you know exactly where everything is. Open Gusto. Click on Home. Click on Pay. Click on Reports. Click on Taxes and Compliance. Click on Tax Setup. Click on Tax Documents. Click on Tax Credits. Click on Business Insurance. Click on Time and Attendance. Click on Time Tracking. Click on Scheduling. Click on Benefits. Click on Documents. Click on Money. Click on Bill Pay. Click on Invoicing. Click on Payroll Bridge. Click on People. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.